You've got something most sellers don't have right now: a rate that buyers are literally searching for. Most people listing their home today are competing on price, on staging, on open houses. You could be competing on something none of them can offer. So here's how this works. If your mortgage is an FHA or VA loan, it may be assumable. That means a buyer doesn't have to go get a new loan at 6.5 or 7%. They can step into yours. Whatever rate you locked in, that becomes their rate, right? Think about what that does to your buyer pool. At today's rates, a $2,500 monthly payment gets a buyer into roughly a $375,000 home. At a 2.75% assumed rate, that same payment gets them into a $500,000 home. You're not just attracting more buyers, you're attracting buyers who literally cannot afford the home any other way. Assumable listings are getting 2 to 3 times more inquiries in the first week compared to conventional listings. And buyers will pay above asking to lock in a sub 3% rate because the math works out in their favor even if they pay more upfront. Here's the thing: most sellers don't know they have this, and most agents don't know how to market it. So the rate just sits there, invisible, while the house competes like every other house on the block. Now you're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. It's not. The lender is involved the whole time. It's fully approved. It's not a workaround or a loophole. It's written right into the loan documents for FHA and VA loans. The process takes a little longer than a normal closing, 45 to 90 days on average, but buyers who want that rate are motivated. They're not going to walk away over a longer timeline. One buyer I worked with recently put 5% down on a $430,000 home and got a 2.99% rate. Their monthly payment was around $1,800. At today's rates, that same home cost them closer to $2,600 a month. That's almost $10,000 a year, every year for 30 years. That's the rate you're sitting on. If you want to know whether your loan qualifies and what it could mean for your sale price, come find me. I'm Ryan Thompson, the Assumable Guy on Instagram, or head over to assumableguy.com. I'll show you what the numbers look like for your situation.